Hi there and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to raise a room service request for a guest room using the property management system. Let's get started. First, navigate to the front office module. Next, click on Stay. You'll now see a list of rooms that are currently occupied, along with guest details. To raise a room service request, simply click on the room number you'd like to manage. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Request button. Go ahead and click it. On the next page, select Room Service. Now to raise a new request, click on New Request. This opens a pop-up window where you can start creating the order. Once the order is created, click View Details to review and add items. Go ahead and select the items the guest has requested, and then click Place Order. Great. Your room service request has now been successfully placed. Next, let's look at how to handle the billing. Before billing, the items need to be marked as prepared and served. This is done from the kitchen section. To do that, go to the F&B module and select Kitchen Order. Find the order you just created and mark it as prepared. Once that's done, return to Room Service Request and generate the bill. You can now collect the payment from the guest. And that's it. The room service request has been successfully completed, and the payment has been processed. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. We're always here to assist. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials linked in the description for more tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.